Hey, so you want to earn money online, but you don't want to spend a single dollar up front? Perfect, I've got you. Let's talk about 3 quick ways you can start hustling right from your phone, no investment needed. First up, microtasks. Apps like Swagbucks, Toloka, or even Google Opinion Rewards pay you for super simple stuff, like taking surveys, watching short videos, or testing out new apps. It won't make you rich overnight, but if you're waiting for the bus or chilling between classes, it's a legit way to stack some extra cash. Second, try freelancing. Yup, even if you're a total beginner. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer services. Think graphic design, voiceovers, writing, or even editing TikToks. All you need is a skill, and trust me, you've got at least one. Start small, build a profile, and those $5 gigs add up. Third, become a content creator. No, you don't need a fancy camera. If you've got a phone, you're good. Post TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts about something you love. Gaming, cooking, memes, life advice, whatever. Once you grow an audience, you can earn from brand deals, affiliate links, or even digital products. Bonus tip, flip stuff online. Find free or cheap items on Facebook Marketplace or local groups and resell them for a profit. Snap pics, upload, and boom, money from your pocket. The trick isn't to look for the perfect idea. Just pick something, start, and stay consistent. Your first dollar online is the hardest. After that, it gets way easier. So, if you're serious about making money from your mobile, drop a comment below with which method you'll try first. And remember, your hustle starts now, not someday. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more tips.